Introducing the future of auto glass handling, the GT Tools SuperPump. Engineered for speed, efficiency, and reliability, it's here to change the game. Meet the GT Tools SuperPump, the ultimate hands-free solution that fits virtually every suction cup pump on the market. With integrated automatic vacuum regulation and rapid performance, say goodbye to manual pumping and hello to smart, efficient work. Engineered for professionals, the GT Tools SuperPump maintains full vacuum automatically, achieving a full hold in just about 6 seconds and offering up to 2,000 cycles on a single 5-hour charge. Enjoy rechargeable convenience via USB-C, so you can work uninterrupted. Trusted by industry experts, the GT Tools SuperPump streamlines your workflow on every job. Whether in a busy repair shop or on a challenging job site, its performance ensures secure glass handling so you can focus on what matters most. Upgrade your auto glass repair process today. Visit gtglass.com to experience the efficiency of the GT Tools SuperPump, the new standard in automated suction cup performance.